Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great again, countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit your notification button. Country girl, big up yourself. Country boy, nuclear, silent. Long time in a year from silent. 306, where the picture there? Alright. As we move on, look at the screen in front of you. Shabdon. And with all respect, Sir P, bring him to light. Because I always see him as a producer, but I never know him as a violence producer. You understand? So, with that said, I am going to take a little bit of deep dive into Shabdon. The first thing that jumped out at me, him similar to Saltel, or where Sir P would have said World Sprat. Him similar to that boy there. So we are gonna move on and discuss Shabdon. Him come under my radar, so I have to talk about it. According to the police, that boy a mix up in some gang thing. Like him around with the G City gang. But he man squash them link. But yet still Sir P say him get rid of squash brother. Me don't know how true that is, but yo, that a squash brother in front of you. Now, as you say, that youth a Shabdon, he mix up in all sort of thing now because they must say bribery, they must say the machine come from Atlanta, but them can't really do nothing with that. All them can do is charge him fee. But America can't do nothing about that. If it find out Atlanta or not. We know that. Now, one part we kinda struck me in the report. That's why I want to talk about this. Them say them a do ballistics on it. On the gun where them catch Shabdon. The machine. Let me say machine or shoes. Because I don't want YouTube walk me up. So now, the reason why me want to talk about the ballistics, because remember, that boy in front of you, look on the screen in front of you. That boy, Tommy Lee Sparta. Remember them did catch him, on shoes, and them say, it fling a rifle and one British. So I guess they must do ballistics on that. So what's coming out of that? So that's where me want to try figure out if it's one set of law for one man, Tommy Lee Sparta, and a next set of law for Shabdon. We don't know. Let's see how the ballistics play out. Another thing when I notice about a youth, him and a youth are driving at the car. Him don't know so police are fine. And Sir P all put him on blast and them thing there. So that mean him still a drive with certain things and act flex certain way. That means say what certain people are talk about are true then. What the police are talk about and what Sir P are talk about are true. If if him can't able to hear so much warning, like my mother say, you have to use sleep mark that. And then you can't able to get catch like that with that shoes there. And then entangled in some other bribery and some other things. And your name a call from say you use a stone crusher protege, but no, me kind of confused because you roll with G City, but yet still a man I say are you dash way squash brother. You understand? And you and squash still a spar. Me don't know what I go on cause me don't see a Salt Spring. No. The brother there, Salt tell. Our world spot. I got the Serpy. Him do a tune when say Salt Spring, you know. Any weather. And I guess a Shabdon produced that tune there. I mean I listen to the tune. Him say Salt Spring, we ain't going nowhere. I'll get to you, blah 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 blah. You understand? Any weather, any this, any that. I didn't call out certain things. So, yo, a long time we want Shabdon a spar. Like with Serpy, so I'm not like. You see me I say? And a long time we been at the mix. But when me I try tell him say, I dash them I go dash with him what's it, not it. The boy yeah. Cause him name a ring like a bell. And I don't know if him tone there for hour. And your name call, you kill all your friend them hear the man them a talk about it. And then you're able to go get catch with them you sit here. Another thing, me hear them say my informer. And like I say, me see him music, me know him thing and you know, him never dey on my radar. But when him come out and dey on everybody radar, that's when him dey on mine. So another thing a Serpy say my informer. And you can't just call man informer. And you're not sure. But one thing me sure, him and the youth get catching at the car with the shoes. And it seems like the youth take the charge or him tell the police that the youth one dog and him get bail. Straight up. So yo, him look suspicious right there so. I hear the man say, him get to it, no for him friend him get rid of them. So, in a them little thing there, him look very suspicious that you there. So Shabdon, let me tell you better use sleep and my youth. You make a little money in your music. You don't do your dirty things and whatnot, and you still a dig deeper. You run apps and them things they know. Watch what happen to you. Watch what happen to you. Me countryman said that. Watch what's going to happen to you if you continue in this way. You depend on the police them eye. You depend on the bad man them eye because obviously you run with G City, but I guess Stone Crusher are them are your professor. And then you must be linking a G City. But when me can't understand that ugly brother there, when him name Squash, man look like a caveman. Me never know light skinned people could have ugly so star. Squash do music with him, with Shabdon, and Shabdon get rid of him brother. Me don't understand that. So me don't know how they mix. Me hear say Squash runway and they are Miami now. That me hear through the grapevine. A ugly piece of youth for a brown skin man. Me don't know, no brown skin man could have so ugly dog. But anyways, yeah. So Shabdon, your name a mix up and blender and your name a ring like a bell and police a watch you. Don't be the next dark paw. That's all me I tell you. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and hit your notification button. Check out the Patron page. I don't know what to do with it. I just get it. You don't have to help me out. Alright? Later. I love everybody. All the subscribers, non-subscribers. Peace.